Have you ever questioned whether or not you can start a side hustle while working full time? In this video, I will give you 3 tips on how to start a side hustle while working a 9-to-5 job. Coming up. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Lon Jordan, and I am a speaker and author of Sketched by Design. And I give tips to help people discover their unique design so they can be successful in the 21st century marketplace. So how do you start a side hustle while working full time? Well, first, you must maximize the time you have. Starting a side hustle while working a 9-to-5 job can be challenging, which is why it is important to maximize the time you have. Here are a few things I have learned that you can do to help build a foundation for your success. First, use your lunch breaks to work on your side hustle. Even if it's for 15 minutes, 15 minutes compounded over time will help you get one step closer to your goal and making extra money. Second, waking up early and working on your side hustle before work. Scheduling 1 to 2 hours in the morning where you have less distractions allows you to do research and pick a side hustle that complements your personality, gifts, and skill sets. Third, you must maximize the extra time you have. You will find that if you eliminate Netflix or playing sports multiple times a week, like I used to do, that you actually have more time during the weekdays and weekends to work on your side hustle. And this will help position you for financial success. Fourth, find a flexible job that allows you to have more control over when you work. Believe it or not, if you do your research, you will find that there are jobs that will allow you to have more flexibility with your time. I know for a while I did substitute teaching, and this allowed me to have the freedom to work when I wanted to, and it also gave me freedom to not schedule a day if I didn't want to work. I also understand that each person's financial situation is different, and each person needs a certain amount of money to live and provide for their families. But there are still jobs that, if you do your research, will give you more flexibility to build your side hustle. I do want to note that it may take time to get adjusted to building a side hustle on top of a full-time job. But if you are willing to stay the course, you will eventually reap the financial benefits that come from a side hustle. If you feel like you're getting value and would like more videos on how to make extra money with a side hustle, make sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell to get notified when a new video comes out. What tip do you have for someone who's struggling to start a side hustle while working full time? Let me know in the comment section below. Second tip, you must be willing to learn a new skill set. When starting a side hustle, it's important to not only assess your current skill sets, but it's also important to consistently learn new skill sets if you desire to make extra money. Before I was able to make money as a volleyball referee, I had to learn new skill sets. First, I had to get a mentor to help me interpret the referee rule book and also learn how to apply that rule book during a real game. Secondly, I had to practice my signals, so I went to a sports facility for a few hours after work multiple days a week to practice. I literally would stand behind a referee and practice my signals. People would walk by me and think I was crazy. But after practicing multiple weeks, I eventually was able to get certified and start making that side hustle money. Taking the time to research and identify what new skill sets you need to learn with your side hustle and being willing to put in the work after work is essential to making extra money. Third tip, you must do whatever it takes to succeed. Now, when I say do whatever it takes, I'm not talking about doing something unethical, but what I'm talking about is being willing to sacrifice for the financial goals that you have. Now, when I say sacrifice, I'm specifically talking about being willing to be rejected by people who don't understand what it is you're trying to accomplish and what it is you're trying to do. I'm also talking about sacrificing your time so that you're able to be in a position to experience financial independence. I'm also talking about transitioning from an employee mentality of working for someone else for a paycheck to having an entrepreneurial and a leader mentality, which says I'm going to discipline myself to work when nobody else is telling me to so I can make my own money. Sacrificing and doing whatever it takes to succeed is crucial to making extra money with a side hustle while working full time. Question of the day. What challenges have you had starting a side hustle? Let me know in the comment section below. To learn more about how to make extra money with the side hustle, make sure to watch my video up here. As well as make sure to click the subscribe button and click the like button to help this video out. And also make sure to share it with a friend. See you in the next video.